Hello, my name is Rick Petrie and I'm a major for the Cobb County Sheriff's Office. I oversee security at the Judicial Complex. I've been an employee of the Sheriff's Office for 24 years. During this video, some of my team members are going to answer some frequently asked questions about visits to the Judicial Complex. I'll see you again at the end of the video to answer any further questions and provide some resources that may assist you on your next visit to the courthouse. I'll see you soon.
Hello, my name is Lieutenant Anthony Steyer of the Cobb County Sheriff's Office. I am the lieutenant over court security. I've worked at the Sheriff's Office for 18 years. Some of the services we offer here at headquarters are located in the basement is our fingerprinting room and our sex offender unit. Here on the first floor is our warrant room and our civil division, along with the domestic violence unit. Our civil process office is located here on the first floor. You would come here anytime that you needed to file any civil papers, or also if you were filing an eviction. These are where all the processes are processed for all the deputies to go out and serve them. If you needed to file a domestic violence order or needed questions answered about domestic violence, you would come here to the desk sergeant and they would have someone come out and speak with you from the domestic violence unit. On the second floor is our internal affairs unit, along with open records and accounting. If you had a complaint about any employee here at the Sheriff's Office, you could go to the second floor and file a complaint with our internal affairs unit. On the third floor is our criminal investigations division, which consists of the fugitive unit and also the fraud and forgery unit. If you had a fraud report, you would go to the third floor and there is a window there where they have an investigator that would take your complaint and make sure that it was investigated. Some examples of fraud would be getting scammed by the scam artist out there. That's happened a lot lately. And also a lot of banking information. Also, if your identity was taken.
I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If you have additional questions, please visit us at cobbsheriff.org or download the Cobb County Sheriff's Office app. We hope to see you soon.